Okay, so Service Bulletin 0002 completed on 4/20 of 22. So basically, this is addressing a potential crack in this style of, it serves two purposes. It's a stop, so that way the rudder doesn't over travel, and then the rudder actually connects through that hole into this vertical stabilizer. So this is kind of a replacement of what's happening about here. My plans are dated 12/9 of 13, revision 0, page 6.4. So I'm sure this has been updated as of November 5th, 2020. The previous builder that I got this plane from up to this point completed that in 2019. So, about a year before the Service Bulletin came out. So, pretty straightforward. I didn't have to remove this from the airplane because it wasn't mounted yet. It was sitting on the bed in my guest bedroom, right? Where else do we put parts to our ginormous airplane that we're building at home? So basically, you had to drill these out. There were 2 bolts and then 6 rivets. I did a pretty dang good job of drilling. I mean, look at how centered these holes are. I popped out the heads and then kind of hammered this out, and so pretty proud of that. So you just drill that out and then you pop a rivet into, so it took up these 1, 2, and then 3, 4 holes. So these bolts go back in, but they don't get bolted through this piece. You just put rivets here and here just to reattach that, and then you're only using these 4. So these used to be rivets, now they're bolts. It's pretty straightforward instructions, so yeah, that's about it. There really was nothing fancy, nothing hard here, nothing to really take any time explaining, other than it went smooth, and follow the instructions and make sure you do that Service Bulletin so you don't ever have to worry about it cracking again, hopefully. There you go. Bye-bye.